Hi there, my name is Clement. I'm from Kuga Electrical. Once again, we've completed a 99 kilowatt for Trackright. Trackright is a great business, and I've experienced exponential growth over the past 12 months. And I wanted to find a way to reduce the cost. So we've just completed the installation with a premium product, Sangro inverter, 110 kilowatt and Q-cell panel.
Hello, my name is Neil Walling. I'm one of the directors of Trackright, based in Dandenong South. We're a one-stop repair shop for truck, buses, coaches and trailers. We cover mechanical, crash work, refurb work, welding, fabricating, chassis straightening, wheel alignments, pretty much all the range that you need to do to get your vehicle repaired in a quickly fashion time. We decided to opt to go with Kuga Electrical because they was offering the best service. With the solar system that we've installed, we're expecting very good savings on our electrical bill. So we're quite looking forward to seeing that result when our bill comes through.
If you have a business and you also feel the pain with electricity costs, please give us a call on 13 Kuga.